Today I was in my office, and after few hours of my work, I thought of taking a tea break, and I went to my tea room. And as I entered the tea room, I could see through the window two birds are sitting on the window area, and they are busy with their love, expressing their love to one another. These birds, they are teaching a very fruitful message for the mankind. Even they are spending more time together by listening one another, and with the beaks, the partner bird is softly touching the head and feather of his partner, and they are sharing and caring each other. And for a while, the partner bird is just preparing to go for some of his personal need. And yes, the bird is getting ready and telling that I will be back soon, and wait for me here. That message the partner bird telling, and is just leaving. Yes, this happened. And this partner bird, with a hope and with a strong determination and belief that his partner will come back very soon without any delay. Yes, you can see that hope. Yes, the partner come back again, and both of them spending again their precious time. And these birds are teaching a lesson for the mankind. Even aren't we also spending our time with our partner? Do we spend, or do we take the initiative in caring and loving our own partners? Yes, we have to learn many things from the nature, and the nature showing us this loving experience of these birds. We should also need to cherish in our life by spreading and sharing our